The 2019 Tour Championship was a professional snooker ranking tournament held from 19 to 24 March 2019 in Llandudno, Wales. Organised by the World Professional Billiards and Snooker Association, this was the first edition of the Tour Championship and the third and final event of the inaugural Coral Cup. It was the 18th ranking event of the 2018-2019 season. The draw for the Tour Championship comprised the top 8 players based on the single-year ranking list, taking part in a single elimination tournament. Each match was played over a minimum of 2 sessions. The final is best of 25 frames over 2 days. The winner of the tournament won £150,000 out of a total prize fund of £375,000. The event was sponsored by betting company Coral. In a repeat of the Players' Championship final 2 weeks prior, Ronnie O'Sullivan met Neil Robertson in the final. O'Sullivan won the match 13-11 to claim his 36th ranking title, equaling Stephen Hendry's record of ranking event wins. On winning the tournament, O'Sullivan returned to the world number 1 position for the first time since May 2010 and won the Coral Cup. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.